Hello, I am John Mark de la Cruz Apilan, pangalawa po sa 7 magkakapatid. When I was young, I dream of becoming a business person. And then, this might be impossible, especially with the financial scarcity. Tapos, hindi po capable ang parents ko makapag-aral ako. My mom is a plain housewife, and yung papa ko po is a security guard. And then, nung high school pa po ako, I used to be a sampaguita vendor para lang po talaga ma-assist or to finish my studies in high school. After I graduated in high school, I was compelled to find a job rather than go to college. So, I worked as a dishwasher in a restaurant, and then I stopped. I looked for a better job, and then napasok po ako sa isang local boutique as an bodeguero or stockman. Siguro dahil magaling ako makitungo sa ibang tao. So, my boss, she then promoted me to become a sales representative. And then, kalaunan, luckily, I got promoted as a manager. As a national marketing manager for a span of 5 years. Things went well then. I was invited to be judged in a different pageant, like small or big event in Cagayan or in the provinces around Miss Or. And I also hosted a lot of events and many others. I also had a chance to travel around the Philippines and of course abroad together with my boss. With this, I felt successful. I was so blessed. However, I still felt so empty. Alam mo yung parang successful ka na, pero parang may kulang talaga. So I realized I have to go to college. I have to finish my college to learn more para mahubog ang pagkatao ko, to lead me and to make me complete. Luckily again, somebody introduced me to Liceo de Cagayan University's Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency Accreditation Program, which we all know as ATEAP. So the question is, how did Liceo ATEAP help me? The most inspiring story in my ATEAP journey is that it gave me hope. It transformed my life. It opened my perspective in a wider horizon. Alam mo yung dream mo na naging reality? Alam mo yung dream na naging reality siya. After 1 school year, I graduated as Bachelor of Science in Administration, major in Marketing Management. After I graduate, parang na-boost talaga ang confidence ko in life. I was able to establish Pets to Go Veterinary Clinic and then 1 pet shop with 3 branches in Cagayan de Oro City. And we also do merchandising. We supply for Visayas and Mindanao. And hopefully, God willing, it could be national in the future. This is my success story, and I am forever grateful on how and what Liceo de Cagayan University ATEAP has done into my life. With Liceo de Cagayan University ATEAP, you're the best. Kaya everybody, enroll na mo!